Step 1. Establish a central parting and section the hair. Step 2. Spritz each section of hair with the magical potion before using the wide iron on the required heat setting. Step 3. Continue all the way up, making sure you comb the hair through each time as you glide the iron through. This will give your hair more of a luxurious, shiny finish. Step 4. Section off a circular section, leaving out all of your hairline around your head. Step 5. Apply hairspray around your hairline and brush into a sleek, low ponytail and secure this with a tight elastic. Step 6. Release the top of the hair out and brush through. Step 7. Finish by glossing the hair with hairspray and shine spray to achieve an ultimate luxurious finish.